Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Indian-style chili sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh red or green chilies, along with aromatic spices such as cumin, coriander, and turmeric powder. Don't forget fresh ginger, garlic, and a small onion to form the flavorful base. Finally, have some vinegar or lemon juice on hand to perfectly balance all those wonderful flavors. Now that we have our ingredients, let's prepare them. Begin by washing your chilies and deseed them if you prefer a milder sauce. Then, roughly chop the chilies, ginger, garlic, and onion. For an extra layer of flavor, lightly toast any whole spices like cumin seeds before grinding. Taking a moment to measure everything out beforehand will make the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. With everything prepped, it's time to cook. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and sauté your chopped ginger, garlic, and onion until they are soft and fragrant. Next, add the chopped chilies and your ground spices, cooking for about 5 minutes. Pour in 1/2 cup of water and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Finally, blend this mixture until it's wonderfully smooth, then return it to the pan. We're almost there. To finish our delicious chili sauce, stir in 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Let the sauce simmer gently for another 5 to 7 minutes, allowing it to thicken to your desired consistency. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed, perhaps a little more salt or a tiny pinch of sugar. Once cooled completely, transfer your homemade Indian chili sauce to an airtight container for storage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.